Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, high CPU usage after update Windows 10, 1903 update. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click search. Double-click to open Bing search enabled. Change value to 1, OK. Close and exit registry. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.